Welcome to the Royal National Orthopaedic Hospital Private Patient Unit, a world-renowned centre of excellence for orthopaedic surgery and medicine.
We treat patients from across the world, many of whom have been referred from other hospitals for second opinions or the treatment of complex and rare conditions.
Our consultants are highly specialised and many of them have leading national and international reputations. We offer a unique range of neuromusculoskeletal services ranging from the most acute spinal injury and complex bone tumour to paediatrics and specialist rehabilitation. Our facilities include high dependency units and cutting-edge theatres.
We have the most up-to-date technology to enable us to get patients back to independent living, pain-free and enjoying life again.
Working together with your consultant, our dedicated therapy service will provide assessment, advice and treatment to help support your recovery.
Our patients benefit from the highest standard of nursing care for both adult and children.
During your stay at the Royal National Orthopaedic Hospital, we would love to hear your thoughts about your care and your time with us.
Your feedback is very important and helps us improve your experience and our commitment to treating you with care, compassion and kindness.